So I bought the cheapest lavalier microphone for iPhone 13 Pro. So in today's video we'll see what comes in the box. And actually I'm filming right now with my iPhone 13 Pro, and if I'm honest with you, the sound quality, it's not bad, but if you want something more professional for an interview or for your videos, I think a lavalier microphone is the way. Plus they're not very expensive. So right from the bat, I think it's a very good investment. So let's see what comes in the box. AliExpress, cheapest lavalier microphone. Let's see if actually this thing works, because about 80%, most of the microphones, they're not very good. So let's unbox it. Let me open it. There's my address here behind, so I don't want to show you the address. So let's okay, I'm gonna need a knife, because this thing is packed like, I don't know. So this is the actual microphone, as you can see, with the lavalier connection, lightning connection, as you can see. And if I'm honest with you, the quality is not great, and the reason for that is the actual cable. It's very light, and actually the cable that is made, it's not very good, if I'm honest with you. I think this is gonna snap very easy. But the more important is the sound that this microphone will. So this is the actual microphone without the windscreen foam, as you can see, and this is the windscreen foam. So it came a little bit fluffy and mushy. This doesn't look nice, but hey, I mean, if it's working. So the entire video that you're listening right now and watching, it's actually from my iPhone 13 Pro. So this is the actual sound from the phone. Also, we have a clip thing here that you can attach it to your, let's say, your tie or your shirt. So let's plug it and let's see if this microphone will work, because actually I'm a little bit skeptical that this is going to be good microphone, because the packaging, I mean, the packaging was not bad, but if you can feel this, it's very soft. This gives me like a red flag, because the quality is not very nice. But yeah, let's plug it and let's hear the sound. So the microphone should be plugged right now, and it's plug and play, so should work with any recording applications. So this is the sound from the microphone, and let me know what do you think. So let me do something that most of the people will do that. So let me attach it here. Obviously this is not the professional way, but at least you can have an idea how is the sound quality if the microphone is attached to the your shirt or your tie. Also the cable is like I mentioned, 2 meters, and I believe the sound is much clearer and much better from the sound from the iPhone. And just to double check that this actually is working, so 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So as you can hear, actually this sounds pretty good. Obviously the packaging was not great, it's cheap microphone, but if you don't have a microphone and if you're planning to buy something cheap, and let's say you don't have money to invest in expensive microphones, I think this is very affordable, cheap way to do. So AliExpress, cheapest microphone from AliExpress. I don't know for how long this microphone will work, but if you're planning to do videos, face-to-face interviews for TikTok, for shorts, for YouTube, I mean, it's cheap. And if this microphone after a couple of days, months breaks, I mean, you're not gonna be mad, because this thing costs less than 10 bucks. But the sound quality is surprisingly good actually, which I was surprised. I didn't expect this microphone to be so good.
But overall, yeah, I like the sound, the price is good, and I like it. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? So many people recording these days with their smartphones, so I think it's a cheap, affordable way to do so. So if you have any question, please leave it in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.